Hello, my name is Tara Thompson, one of the pharmacists at Innovation Compounding. If your physician prescribed a medication to you that came in a Topi Micro dispenser, it will look like this. These dispensers hold lotions, creams, and ointments that are intended for topical use or use on the skin, or even on animals. Either your physician or the pharmacist here at Innovation have selected to dispense your topical preparation in this dispenser because it has such a small dose. The Topi Micro is a metered dose device that allows you to easily and accurately measure out small doses of medication and maintain a consistent dose with each use. It consists of a cap, a soft angled applicator, a main triangular body, and a base that turns like a deodorant stick. Each click or turn of the base dispenses approximately 0.05 milliliters of base on average. This may change depending on the density of your cream, so be sure to read the label carefully as to how many clicks you are to be using per dose. The pharmacists here at Innovation have made sure that you are getting the exact dose your doctor prescribed by measuring the amount of cream per click and placing that on the directions of your label. The dispenser is made of FDA-grade materials, is phthalate-free, and blocks greater than 98% of UV rays. Once it is empty, it can be recycled using code number 7. The device is meant for one-time use only, so discard it once it is empty. The most important step to properly applying your medication is to look at the label on your Topi Micro. Make sure your medication is still appropriate to use by checking the Beyond Use date. If today's date is beyond that date, it is best you get a refill of your prescription to ensure the highest quality product. Also, make sure you know the dose of your medication and how often to take it. Your label should also state where to apply the medication. Depending on your condition or situation, directions can range for each patient. The Topi Micro is often used in veterinary health too, so this applicator may have been prescribed for use for your pet. To begin measuring the dose, unscrew the cap of the Topi Micro and set it aside for recapping later. Make sure your device is primed, meaning that the cream is all the way to the top, ready to use. Although this is done before your medication leaves the pharmacy, it may settle with transit. To prime your device, slowly give it a click until you see cream at the top of the port. Holding the micro upright, turn the base of the device counterclockwise to dispense the number of clicks specified in the instructions. You should be able to hear, see, and feel the clicking as you turn the base. The device has a triangular shape, so each turn of the base should line up with the body. In this case, let's use 2 clicks, which is about 0.1 milliliters of cream. The amount that comes out at the top of the port is your dose. You would apply the topical medication by rubbing the area of skin as directed by your pharmacist. You can use the Topi Micro itself to apply the medication, which lessens the risk of cross-contamination and ensures the full dose is applied to the intended area. Let's say that we applied it here to the wrist. Remember to apply the cap after each use to prevent evaporation. Be sure that the cap screws on tightly. It is always best to wash your hands after each application to minimize transference of your medication to anyone else. Also note that there is a refill indicator at the top of the base here. Once the black line of the plunger gets to this refill point, it is best to give us a call to get a refill of your medication. That way you have plenty of time before you run out of this one. That is the end of the video, Topical Applications, the Topi Micro Dispenser.